Want to wash and dry your clothes in one go? In this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to use the wash and dry program on your Candy CSW washing machine. Step by step and super easy. Step 1. Power on the machine. Press the power button to turn on your Candy CSW washer dryer. Step 2. Load your laundry. Place your clothes in the drum. Don't overload it. For wash and dry, stick to around 4 to 5 kilograms of clothes for best results. Step 3. Add detergent. Use the drawer to add the right amount of detergent and fabric softener. Use high-efficiency detergent if possible. Step 4. Select Wash and Dry Program. Turn the knob to a program labeled Wash and Dry, or a symbol that combines a wash and a dry cycle. Some models use a mixed cycle icon. Step 5. Adjust settings. Optional. You can adjust temperature, spin speed, or drying time using the buttons if your model allows it. Step 6. Press. Start. Hit the start button and let the washer-dryer do all the work. It will automatically transition from washing to drying. That's it. One cycle, fresh and dry clothes. Like and follow for more quick appliance tutorials.